out, Tony. Remember, that's only chicken feed. You stepped into big company.
The gang boss.
Young aggressor, born into the life of crime. I would walk down the street, strapped with 2 9s, bitch smacking, jacking niggas, G'd up, stacking figures. Police drive by, I was click clacking triggers. Jay DeLucas put me with the fam to grow. I was a boss amongst white boys, rocking the flow. I had hoes, bank rolls, and meats by the dozen. My rise to power was quick, they just wasn't trying to make me a made man. They fucked up the game plan. I blacked out on them and started my own clan. Black Gambino, black suits, a black syndicate. My crime fan was tight, every move was intricate. The coke was brought in from bad Colombian mules. Gorgeous women that I draped down in jewels. Street fight started, mafia wars in Italy. Crime fam against famine, no one could do diddly. Do the dirty work, bringing the coke by the boatloads. Go against the grain, nigga, I feed nose holes. Follow no family rules, rules are for fools. Chase the paper, cause it's the cash that rules. Fuck the law of the fam, Mr. Law of the land. You don't like how I'm moving and try to force my hand. I'm moving keys, them DeLucas couldn't touch my pianos. Putting pressure on them Gambinis and Verrazanos. They love my money, they hate to see a nigga getting it. Selling drugs is taboo, but I ain't fucking sweating it. The dirt gotta get done, so I took my position. One day I'm just black tone with a lot of ambition. Next, I got status, dinners with old bosses. Flights in and out of the country, they getting nauseous. Money, power, respect, rise of the black suits. Talk shit behind my back, but to my face salute. Hugs and handshakes, they can't stop my reign. Got the coconut, pilots bringing shit on the plane. It's a shame, they ain't had the balls to make moves, they pussy. Couldn't walk a mile in my shoes. Do the dirty work, bringing the coke by the boatloads. Go against the grain, nigga, I feed nose holes. Follow no family rules, rules are for fools. Chase the paper, cause it's the cash that rules. Do the dirty work, bringing the coke by the boatloads. Go against the grain, nigga, I feed nose holes. Follow no family rules, rules are for fools. Chase the paper, cause it's the cash that rules.